Taran Tactical GRANDMASTER CONNECTOR KIT for the Gen5 Glock. This is not going to be the 3 to 4 pound. It's going to be the 4 to 4.5 pound setup. So essentially it just doesn't come with the third spring, which is going to be for the striker. It's just going to have the trigger return spring, the ejector plunger spring, or not the plunger, for the fire pin safety, whatever that is, connector, and then the steel rod to go into the back of the trigger housing. Just one of the replacement pins, which since I'm using the back strap right now, I can't really utilize that. But guys, I can say this is probably the only really upgrade you would need. With the stock trigger, it's actually pretty nice, although I did file that down a little bit, just kind of sit flush. Let me do this actually. Air dry. I did check this before I started the video. But Talon grips on here, spring kit, CAG works, slide release, and then the 8-point koa. Let's see if I can show you all this. A little blurry. Let's see if I can focus it. Wall back there. Lock. Nice crisp dot. So far, really digging this. Did as intended at the match. Granddad still had some bad habits from different platforms. Or not bad habits, but just habits in general from a different platform. I.e. the staccato. Trigger pull on this, not bad at all. Let's see, get this to focus again. Okay. Just like that first wall. Second one, creep, creep, creep. It's not that bad. Not quite a bit of creep. Boom. Now, on the reset, that's where the money is. I mean, it's pulling right about 4. No dot movement. So, put about 250 rounds this weekend. Shot the match, and actually close to like 300, 350. So I did buy some more ammo, and then shot at the range Sunday. The match was Saturday. But yeah, this thing did pretty good. Oh, another thing I want to mention. I don't know if those of you that are on Reddit or not, it's a place to be. Not really. But this screw right here, there's a video going around of some European users, training group or whatever. Guy had about 1,200 rounds to his factory assembled gun. Claims he did not open it and add any more Loctite, but essentially at 1,200 rounds, gun failure to fire, something like that. It had a failure in general. And when he pulled the back plate off in the extractor plunger, it was covered. I mean, just looked like someone took Loctite and just poured it all down there. This one, I'll insert the pictures here right about now. There was no excess Loctite. It was clean, not even lubed up or nothing. I don't think you're supposed to lube the internals like that. Unlike the staccatos and 2011s. But yeah, mine was clean as a whistle. So I haven't had any failures, anything of that nature. So yeah, good to go. Nice low 25-yard zero. And the rest is history. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and play that video now from the match this weekend.
It's clear. Slide trigger. Show me clear. Slide trigger. Holster.
Finish, unload, show clear. Nice run.